Which city in Rajasthan is also known as Granite City? Answer B. Jalore. The birthplace of Saint Mirabai Khudki is presently in which district of Rajasthan? Answer C. Pali. Tiwari tax was levied on? Answer C. On festivals such Holi and Diwali. Which of the following temple is not of Gurjara Pratihar style of architectural? Answer C. Dadhimati Mata Temple of God Mangal. Bhodh Plateau is located. Answer A. In northwest of Udaipur from Kumbhalgarh to Gogan. Which of the following is not one of the instruments played by mouth? Answer D. Riwaj. In Rajasthan, Chappan ka Maidan is located in the basin of which river? Answer B. Mahi. What for the Chandosgarh and Bordigama places are famous? Answer A. For manufacturing of Tir Kaman. Which one of the following areas in Rajasthan is most affected by soil erosion by surface water? Answer A. Chambal region. Jawahar Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is mainly located in which district of Rajasthan? Answer B. Chittorgarh. Maize is mainly produces in which part of Rajasthan? Answer C. South and southeastern region. Which of the following district is the leader in groundnut production in Rajasthan? Answer C. Bikaner. Which of the following types of coal is considered as the best in quality? Answer B. Anthracite. What is the new number of Sirohi Udaipur Chittorgarh Kota Baran National Highway? Answer D. NH27. The European Union State Partnership Program in Rajasthan worked in the field of? Answer B. Water management. In which district of Rajasthan water is supplied from Narmada Valley project? Answer D. Jalore and Barmer. The most used semiconductor material is? Answer C. Silicon. Recently, which wildlife sanctuary of Rajasthan have been approved the 4th Tiger Reserve of state? Answer C. Ramgarh Vishdhari. In which year was the Rajasthan State Dairy Development Corporation established? Answer B. 1975. State government can increase taxes of? Answer C. Petroleum products. GDP is a term describing economic activity. What does it stand for? Answer D. Gross domestic product. Mitigating poverty is the Western Rajasthan. Empower is being implemented with the help of? Answer D. IFAD. In which district is the American cotton produced in Rajasthan? Answer A. Shri Ganganagar. Which is the first district in Rajasthan in terms of fruit production in Rajasthan? Answer C. Ganganagar. In which year Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana was implemented in Rajasthan? Answer A. 2015 to 2016. Namda is manufactured at dash. Answer A. Tonk. The Buland Darwaza built by Aurangzeb is located at. Answer B. Gagron Fort. In Rajasthani language and culture, Dingle is. Answer B. Style of poetry. An early composition from Rajasthan. Nanmal was composer of the verses. Answer C. Sridhar Vyas. For whom did Nand Kishore Acharya get the 2019 Literacy Award? चिल्लाती हुई अपनों को. Which fort was called Armoured Fort by Abdul Fazal? Answer A. Chittor. Which of the following folk music and dance styles exclusively belong to Jaipur? Answer A. Tamasha. The Khejri tree is a symbol of which one of the following Lok Devatas of Rajasthan? Answer C. Goga Ji. Which Rajput style of painting depicts women and Ranis involved in hunting? Answer A. Kota style. In which district of Rajasthan is the Bhartari fair held? Answer B. Alwar. Who is the author of Hamir Raiso? Answer C. Jodhraj. Who was the first governor of Rajasthan? Answer C. Gurumukh Nihal Singh. By whom is the State Chief Information Commissioner appointed? Answer D. Governor. Who among the following settles consumer dispute at the district level? Answer C. District form. Rajasthan State Formation Day. Answer C. 1 November.